ITC Ltd has announced its earnings for the June quarter, revealing a mixed performance that has caught the attention of investors. Despite a challenging economic environment, ITC's standalone net profit saw a marginal increase of 0.30%, reaching Rs 4917, 45 crore compared to Rs 4902, 74 crore the previous year. This was slightly below analysts' expectations, who had estimated a net profit of Rs 160 crore. Revenue from operations grew by 7.2%, amounting to Rs 18,219, 4 crore, surpassing the estimated Rs 17,200 crore. ITC attributes this growth to several positive factors, including moderating inflation, improving agricultural terms of trade, expectations of normal monsoons, and the government's focus on public infrastructure and the rural sector. These elements are expected to bolster consumption demand and drive further recovery in rural markets. However, the company's expenses rose significantly by 10.8% year-on-year to Rs 12,366, 27 crore, impacting overall profitability. The company's FMCG segment, excluding cigarettes, saw a 6.3% increase in revenue, reaching Rs 54,913 crore. This growth was driven by strong performances in staples, snacks, dairy, personal wash, fragrances, home care, and agarbatti products. Despite this, extreme heat waves adversely affected categories with higher out-of-home consumption. The cigarette segment, a significant contributor to ITC's revenue, grew by 6% to Rs 7,918.10 crore. ITC managed to mitigate the sharp escalation in costs of leaf tobacco and other inputs through an improved product mix, strategic cost management, and calibrated pricing.
ITC's agriculture business reported a robust
22% year-on-year increase in revenue, reaching Rs 6,973, 32 crore, driven by value-added agri-products, leaf tobacco, and wheat. On the other hand, the paperboards, paper, and packaging segment experienced a 6.8% decline in revenue due to low-priced Chinese supplies, muted domestic demand, and increased domestic wood costs. ITC remains optimistic about the future, citing the Union Budget 2024-25's focus on investment, employment, and inclusive growth as positive drivers. The company acknowledges the resilience of the Indian economy amidst global growth slowdowns, supported by government interventions and sustained public expenditure. ITC continues to view India as one of the fastest-growing major economies, with significant potential for growth in the medium and long term as the company navigates these challenges. It remains committed to its strategic initiatives and market leadership across various segments. Investors will be keenly watching ITC's performance in the coming quarters, especially with the expected recovery in rural markets and improving employment conditions.